mistake. We will talk and I take tomorrow a mistake. Because that man will shoot, so if he accelerates, you don't say if you get a chance. But it's enough for everybody. You know what I mean? So let this be an example, let it be a lesson. We're not bad people. We're not well-trained people who serve this country. We're not somebody wear one day uniform. One day uniform.
Sleepless nights.
Every day, under sweat, under sun, under cold. You have to sit up at your point. In the fitness, you know this is very important. You know? For me, I want to want to continue to build on our respect. I want to make world Sierra Leoneans as an all respect yourself as Sierra Leoneans. Don't respect life. Don't respect what you depend on this country. Yeah? Don't put all politics aside.
Boom.
Put out there red, green, pink, yellow, blue.
Are you right?
Are you right?
Boom.
But let nobody say the base like say every somebody in the police force SLP people. No. Or every person in the police force that possibly bad. No. Nobody know bad now. Because what you do, I train for 2 months, 3 months, why somebody on also under air condition. When they wear the same uniform on the sun, all day, every day. We know. No. Look who they have much can see the blue. When I turn up on the sun. What if somebody can kill one person and also supply? So you saw all my life they are danger. You know what I mean? And so yeah, big. Kudos to now. Thank you for the job, body, yeah. And nothing will go happen now. So all man go side for there, all man will go side for go. Yeah.